Hello, I'm Kristof, and I'll be your trainer for today. I'm sure you're curious about using AI in your classrooms and teachings, but maybe you felt a bit unsure of where to start, how to use it safely, how to make it genuinely useful for your students and in the classroom. If you have these questions, you're here at the right place. My AI in the classroom workshop is an 8 hours, full day, practical, hands-on seminar where we explore how AI tools can support teachers and students in real, meaningful ways. We'll look at how AI can be safely used in the classroom with your students, but also how it can help you with lesson planning, creating materials, giving feedback, supporting writing, differentiation, boosting students' engagement, all without any extra workload. You will look at concrete ideas, ready-to-use activities, a clear strategy you can apply straight away in your next classroom. It doesn't really matter if you teach children, teens, adults, online or face-to-face. One important thing about my workshops is that they aren't about theory or long lectures. It's about hands-on experience. It's about doing. The sessions are interactive and practical. You'll experience the activities from the student's point of view, reflect on them as teachers, and share ideas and experience with others. It's all about trying things out, asking questions, and leaving with tools and the confidence to start using AI in your next classes. We'll experiment, we'll exchange some ideas, and we'll have some fun along the way. So if you're ready to explore practical AI, supportive and teacher-friendly way, please join us Fridays. I look forward to seeing you.